Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the Frostspore insects in Heartopia. So talk to Naniwa first, and I'm just going to unlock this quest here, Frostspore Butterflies, and I'll show you guys where everything is. Okay, so first we are going to go to let's go to the jump puzzle area. So like right around here. So let's just teleport there. Oh, right. Get to the bus stop first. And I'll be right back once I'm there. So the Mother of Pearl is located near this like area, the jump puzzle area where the pandas live. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. There's actually another one. I'm just going to catch that. Oops. There we go. Next, we are going to go to the Deer Tower to get the Queen Alexandra butterfly and the Skylowski Morpho. I don't know how to pronounce that, but we are going to go back here. I'm just going to track where the deer is at. I think that's where it is. Or you can track, just track Patty actually. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, you can actually find them around here as well. This one is the, ooh, the Swallowtail actually. Oh, are we? Oh, okay, so the Swallowtail. So the Swallowtail is like in this area, the Spirit Oak Pine Forest, so maybe go there first, and that is where the Swallowtail is located. And I will be going to the Deer Tower, and we'll see if we catch any pretty butterflies. Okay, oh, there's one here. I don't know which one this is. Okay, the Solkowski's Morpho. It's very hard to pronounce that. And last but not least, where is the other butterfly? Okay, I found the last one. It's here in this area, so it doesn't have to be in the Deer Tower or near it, but it's going to be like just like around here, honestly. From here to here, it's just like an estimate of where every butterfly is from, oh, actually from here, from Jump Puzzle to the Deer Tower. So the forest area basically is where you're going to find these butterflies. There isn't an exact location, you just kind of have to search for it. It wasn't that hard, it took me like 5 minutes, but yeah, that is where the butterflies are. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!